In this video, we'll answer the question, what is the TMK wireless kit and when it might benefit you? The TMK wireless kit consists of two different parts, the transmitter and the receiver box. This receiver box goes inside the shear in TMK 300 and 400, and in TMK 250 and 200 it goes here to the side. You can use Makita or Milwaukee drill batteries, 18 volt standard drill batteries. You just plug it in and the receiver is ready to go. And the transmitter unit, which consists of the cigarette lighter power input and the strip buttons with the adhesive tape on the back, so you can attach it to the joysticks or you can use zip ties to secure it. So you plug in the cigarette lighter, and then when you press the buttons you can hear the clicks from the receiver unit, and you can see here the plugs which control the collector and delimber valves. So when you press the collector button, the collector activates. When you press the delimber button, the delimber activates. And if you have only one of the attachments, then obviously you need only one of the plugs. Okay, when might this wireless kit be beneficial for you? Well, for example, if you have several excavators that you're planning to use the same shear with, this system is very plug and play. You just take the cigarette lighter off, you take the buttons off from the joystick and put it to the next machine, and it's ready to go with another machine. Also, you get rid of the cable that runs along the boom, which might get damaged or tangled up with branches or something like that, so it's just more straightforward. And also, if you have a tilt rotator like Encon or Rototilt or something like that, you don't have to worry about the wire going past the tilt rotator, and if you spin it, it doesn't get tangled, because obviously in this system there is no wires. And with the standard drill batteries, it's just very easy to use. Most of the contractors already use Makita or Milwaukee, so they have the batteries already there, so it's very easy upgrade to your machines. Well, there's a little bit more information about the TMK wireless kit. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, call us, send us smoke signals, or contact your nearest dealer, whatever suits you best. Thanks for watching, until next time.